Spyder Auto's projector headlight installation guide for the G35 Coupe. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and a panel popper. Remove the 3 plastic retainers securing the fender liner. Remove the 2 10mm bolts securing the fascia at the wheel well. Remove the side marker socket. Remove the 6 plastic retainers that secure the fascia from above. Remove the 10 10mm bolts securing the fascia from below. Remove the fascia and set it aside. Then remove the 4 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Now unseat the headlight. Disconnect the headlight wiring harnesses. We have to transfer a few things before proceeding. Remove the 3 Phillips screws securing the ballast. Unseat the ballast. Remove the Phillips screws securing the harness. Disconnect the igniter harness. Then remove the HID bulb cover. Tuck the harness aside. Disconnect the igniter wire. Remove the igniter wire from the headlight. Remove the HID bulb from the headlight. Feed the igniter harness into the Spyder headlight. Reconnect the igniter wire to the ballast. Reinstall the Phillips screw that secures the harness. Seat the ballast. Reinstall the 3 Phillips screws to secure the ballast. Reconnect the primary ballast harness. Transfer the bulb retainer clip to the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the HID bulb. Reconnect the igniter wire to the HID bulb. Reinstall the bulb cover. Reconnect the headlight harnesses to the Spyder headlight. Seat the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Seat the bumper fascia. Reinstall the 10 10mm bolts that secure the fascia from below. Reinstall the side marker socket. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts in the wheel well. Then reinstall the 3 plastic retainers that secure the fender liner. Next, reinstall the 6 plastic retainers that secure the fascia from above. Now just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your G35 with a set of LED DRL projector headlights from Spyder Auto.